Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best braiding machine is probably one of the most sought-after hair styling tools for girls and parents alike, promising effortless braids in minutes, saving precious time and reducing styling frustrations. And this video will review the top-rated braiding machines available on the market today, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs and budget, considering factors such as ease of use, hair type compatibility, and overall performance. Number 5. Topsy Hairtail Set. Get ready to create stunning hairstyles in seconds. This set has everything you need for beautiful braids and ponytails. These tools are made from high-quality plastic, making them flexible and easy to use. They'll help you achieve the perfect look in minutes. The braiders are made from durable, high-quality materials, ensuring they last. They're perfect for creating intricate French braids. The set also includes 10 black hair ties. They're gentle on your hair and provide a secure hold. It's perfect for everyday wear, special occasions, or even DIY projects. They're small and easy to carry, so you can take them anywhere. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your purse. You'll be able to create beautiful hairstyles anytime, anywhere. What we like? It's easy to bend and style your hair in minutes. If you are looking for a convenient and portable braiding tool for various hairstyles, this is the one for you. Its durable material ensures long-lasting use, perfect for girls on the go. What people say? Lots of fun things to with this hair styling set. It's just as advertised. My wife uses this for my daughter's hair. Works well. Number 4. Friendship Bracelet Kit. Rediscover the joy of friendship bracelets. This kit has everything you need to create stylish and personalized bracelets for you and your friends. It includes alphabet beads, colorful strings, charms, and easy-to-follow instructions. Let your creativity shine and make unique bracelets that reflect your style. Learn 4 fun and easy knot designs with our illustrated guide. You'll be braiding, beading, and creating beautiful bracelets in no time. This comprehensive kit is packed with supplies. You'll have plenty of beads, strings, and charms to make multiple bracelets for all your friends. It's the perfect craft activity for preteens and tweens. Spread friendship and good vibes with these handmade gifts. What we like? It offers a fun and creative way to make friendship bracelets. If you are looking for a complete kit with various colors and designs, this is perfect for kids who love arts and crafts. The abundant inclusions ensure hours of fun and creativity. What people say? Great kit. Only problem was we brought it to a restaurant and there's nothing to cut the string included, so just make sure if you're taking this on the go you have something to cut the string. Bought for niece's birthday. Was able to share colors to make multiple bracelets together. This is a good starter kit for bracelet making for the kiddos. It shows directions so you can easily learn if it's something you haven't never done before. Number 3. Geyiie DIY Hair Tools. It's time to get creative with your hair. This amazing set has everything you need to create fun and unique hairstyles. With this set, you can easily twist, braid, and add colorful beads to your hair. It's so easy to use, even beginners can create beautiful styles. Simply insert 2 strands of hair into the tool, and watch it magically twist your hair together. Secure the end with a hair tie, and you're done. Made with strong, child-safe materials, it's built to withstand hours of fun and creative styling. It's gentle on your hair, too. This set makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for girls who love to experiment with their hair. Whether your hair is long, short, straight, or curly, this set works wonders. It's also great for creating fun, messy braids. Use the included colorful ropes and beads to create unique and eye-catching rope braids. It's a fun and easy way to express your creativity. This complete set includes 2 weaving machines, a comb, hair ties, rubber bands, colorful ropes, beads, clips, and a mirror, everything you need to become a hair styling pro. What we like? This kit is more than just a braiding tool, it's a complete hair styling station. If you're looking for a safe and versatile tool for various hairstyles and ages, this is a great option. It's suitable for different hair types and lengths, making it a perfect gift for girls. What people say. It was so easy to use, very engaging, and all the pieces were so colorful and bright. This product is so cute and comes with so many beads and accessories to add to your hair. Everything from the packaging to each accessory is well thought out. She is 9 and is able to use on her own. It's actually a lot easier to use than I expected. Number 2. FunKidz Hair Kit. It's time to get creative with our amazing hair chalks. With 9 vibrant rainbow colors, you can design any hairstyle you imagine. Made with non-allergenic, non-toxic ingredients, it's perfectly safe for kids. Plus, it washes out easily, so there's no mess. This kit includes everything you need to create beautiful braids. The colorful beads add extra flair to your unique style. It's so simple to change colors. Just switch the chalk plates and clamp it on. You can create a whole rainbow of looks in minutes. This complete kit makes a fantastic birthday or holiday gift. It's a fun activity for parties or playdates with friends and family. What we like. This kit allows for temporary and colorful hair styling. If you like to experiment with different hair colors without commitment, this is perfect. The washable hair chalk is safe for kids and easy to use, making it a fun and creative gift. What people say. This is a very easy to use hair kit with vibrant colors. Easily applied, and colors were pretty bright too. Colors surprisingly came out excellent. Number 1. Auto Hair Braider. It's incredibly easy to use. With just one touch, you can create a stunning hairstyle in minutes. This automatic hair braider's rotating design prevents hair from getting tangled or pulled. It's completely safe and gentle on your hair. Say goodbye to time-consuming braiding. It twists your hair quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. It comes with combs and hair ties, everything you need for creative DIY hairstyles. It's suitable for girls and women of all ages, making beautiful braids a breeze. Requires 3 AAA batteries, not included. Watch it effortlessly create stunning braids. It's the perfect tool for quick and easy styling. What we like. It's an automatic hair braiding machine that's easy to use and efficient. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to style your hair, this is the best choice. Its safe design ensures worry-free use for girls and kids. What people say. Easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.